Iconic tourist spots and towering structures around the globe. Hello there, this is Ayatollah. Welcome to my video. Since the dawn of civilization, humans have been reaching for the skies, crafting breathtaking structures that defy gravity and showcase our ingenuity. Our planet is home to breathtaking destinations and towering marvels that symbolize human creativity and natural beauty. Today, we take a journey across the globe to marvel at some of the most iconic tourist spots and famous tall structures in the world. We begin in Paris, the City of Light, where the Eiffel Tower stands as a symbol of love and artistry. Standing tall since 1889, the Eiffel Tower is a masterpiece of engineering and design, crafted from over 10,000 tons of wrought iron. A global symbol of France, this iconic landmark attracts millions of visitors every year, offering stunning views of the city. Did you know the Eiffel Tower is repainted every 7 years to stay rust-free? Welcome to New York City, a metropolis unlike any other. The city that never sleeps is a vibrant hub of culture, innovation, and dreams. But amidst the towering skyscrapers and bustling streets, one symbol stands tall, representing hope and freedom: the Statue of Liberty. Standing 305 feet tall from the base to the tip of her torch, the statue is a masterpiece of engineering and art, designed by French sculptor Frédéric Auguste Bartholdi. This iconic figure welcomes millions to New York Harbor each year. Down under in Sydney, Australia, a city where natural beauty meets urban brilliance, at the heart of its sparkling harbor lies a masterpiece of modern architecture: the Sydney Opera House. Designed by Danish architect Jørgen Utzon and completed in 1973, the Sydney Opera House is a marvel of creativity and engineering. Its creation pushed the boundaries of design, construction, and innovation, making it one of the most complex buildings of its time. Its sail-like design pays homage to Sydney's maritime heritage, making it one of the most recognizable buildings in the world. The Sydney Opera House is one of the most iconic landmarks in the world and draws millions of visitors annually. Overlooking Rio de Janeiro, it is often called Cidade Maravilhosa, is one of Brazil's most iconic destinations, renowned for its stunning natural landscapes, vibrant culture, and world-famous landmarks. One of the city's most recognizable symbols, Christ the Redeemer, is a colossal statue of Jesus Christ that stands atop Mount Corcovado in the Tijuca National Park. Constructed between 1922 and 1931, the statue is 30 meters high, excluding its 8-meter pedestal. The arms stretch 28 meters wide. This towering statue is not only a religious icon, but also a symbol of peace and hospitality. Rome, the capital of Italy, is a city steeped in history, culture, and architectural wonders. One of its most iconic landmarks is the Colosseum, an ancient amphitheater that stands as a testament to the grandeur of the Roman Empire. The Colosseum stands as a testament to ancient engineering and cultural heritage. This grand amphitheater once hosted gladiator battles. The gladiators who fought in the Colosseum were a central part of ancient Roman entertainment, engaging in combat for the public's enjoyment. These men were typically slaves, prisoners of war, or criminals. In 2019, it was estimated that over 7 million people visited the Colosseum, making it one of the most popular tourist attractions in the world. Its enduring popularity is a testament to its universal appeal and historical importance. Welcome to London. The capital city of England and the United Kingdom is a vibrant metropolis known for its rich history, diverse culture, and iconic landmarks. With a history that spans over 2 millennia, it has evolved into one of the world's most influential cities, blending historical heritage with modern innovation. Standing proudly at the northern end of the Palace of Westminster, Big Ben is one of London's most recognizable icons, rising majestically above the River Thames, and a constant reminder of the city's rich heritage and resilience. Big Ben is often mistaken as the name for the entire clock tower. In fact, Big Ben refers specifically to the Great Bell inside, while the tower itself was renamed Elizabeth Tower in 2012 in honor of Queen Elizabeth II. Known for its striking clock faces and resonant chimes, Big Ben is a cultural icon that represents the enduring spirit of London. Over in Taiwan, Taipei City, the heart of Taiwan, is a dynamic blend of tradition and modernity. Taiwan is famous for its lively night markets, historic temples, and contemporary cityscapes reflecting the city's rich cultural heritage and innovative spirit. Amid this dynamic metropolis stands Taipei 101, a striking symbol of the city's modern identity. Taipei 101 spirals into the sky like an ancient dragon, reaching a height of 508 meters. It's a modern marvel that showcases advanced design and sustainability. It became the world's first skyscraper to exceed a height of half a kilometer. As of 2025, Taipei 101 is the tallest building in Taiwan and the 11th tallest building in the world. These landmarks are more than just structures. They are testaments to human creativity, resilience, and cultural significance. Whether ancient or modern, each tells a unique story and continues to inspire travelers worldwide. So, where will your journey take you next?